What's up? Y'all miss me. I'm back. Another video, and we're gonna be making a jean jacket. It's like a quarter length. I don't know what they call it, but I'm making the jean jacket, and that's it. I'm gonna do this design, show y'all. That's all we doing. All right, so we about to sketch the design, and I'm gonna put hearts at the top, and I'm gonna do a little Pokemon at the bottom, and then I'll just go from there and see what else I'm gonna do. Yeah, this the rough sketch of it. Now I got trace around this. Might put some at the front here, maybe. I don't know. I'll see when I get there. But right now, this the rough sketch.
Next step.
All right, and there we go. I traced over it. It was kind of like when I first started, it was like real. When I traced it with a pencil, when I made it with a pencil, it was kind of more like roundish. So I wanted to sharpen it up and make it a little bit more spiky looking. But yeah, I think it turned out nice. So, all right, now we're on the next step. I'm gonna draw the Pokemon, and then I'm gonna trace over it again. I'm not going to stop when I do it, so I'm just gonna go all the way through and just, y'all gonna see it, so let's go. All right. Video got cut out in the end, but you see. Now I'm about to add some paint. And then I'm gonna detail it and we're gonna be done with this. I'm gonna just show you the finished product after everything. But this like the biggest, this is what I really wanted to record, so. Transition. That's the end for this part 1 to this jean jacket. I'm gonna do the front on the next video. Stay tuned. Drop it in 2 days. 2 days.